Welcome to our last module, Module 6. Now that you've learned how to lead a Dream Up Now workshop, in this module you'll see how easy it is to create a variety of ongoing workshops customized to increasingly wider and more diverse audiences. As a trained Dream Up Now leader, you can operate ongoing camps throughout the school year and summer camps too. We'll look at how you can create a series of workshops centered on alternating themes. These themes may be teen-driven, or meet the goals of the youth in your community, or serve as an arts-based social-emotional curriculum. What shifts does your community need to make to improve its culture, habits, and attachment? You can keep the material fresh and specific to your community by allowing your participants to independently choose the emotions they wish to explore at each session. Or you could support a desired outcome, such as improved school attendance, managing existing or past trauma, improving behavioral concerns, or improving school attachments by showing how to get positively plugged into school. Or you can support a theme, such as goal setting, improving self-esteem, creating the life you want to live by pursuing goals, or creating a trustworthy circle of friends. This is your golden opportunity to leverage your unique skills as a leader as you pinpoint exactly who you wish to invite to your workshop to achieve the most success and the greatest positive results for your efforts. In this module, it all comes together. You'll examine your organization's and community's pain points, determining how to take your participants from where they are today to a desired outcome through the emotion sets you select. You learn straightforward ways to reach out to your target audience and how to offer both tangible and intangible rewards for joining your workshop. During this module, we'll take a walk through the emotion sets and see how to group the emotions into a workshop that best serves your goals. Along the way, you can make notes of supplies needed and styles of artistic expression. Taking a bird's eye view of all the emotion sets and activities can generate myriad possibilities for customizing individual workshops for specific niche audiences, or to feature a specific theme, or to result in a desired outcome for your community, school, library, or organization. Most importantly, we'll create a simple, straightforward blueprint for your workshop, which can be easily updated for every theme, outcome, or participant goal you can dream up. It's easy and efficient to apply the same lessons to create several blueprints for ongoing, rolling Dream Up Now workshops to run throughout the year. Providing a variety of approaches, this method allows you to build consistency and positive word of mouth, so that in the future, those teens who would not typically attend a workshop will gain interest, and past participants who are energized by their results can continue to attend future Dream Up Now workshops and build the life they choose to live by gaining the confidence and courage to pursue their dreams. Let's get started.